really good. Sorry about all the noise, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Andrew's Table. We have Ella over here. Grace is holding her because she just woke up from her nap. But today we are gonna be making fried chicken tenderloin pieces actually, and we're gonna be dusting them with different types of chips to create really vibrant colors of the rainbow. I wanted to do something that was a little bit more vibrant and summery and just something cool that you can do with your kids. Actually, I don't know if you wanna feed your kids all these junk food chips. I tried my best to try to find colors that would, I think, turn out okay if we were to fry it and still be vibrant enough. So I haven't tried this before doing it with you guys right now, but I think it will work. So let's go and check out these ingredients. So for the colors of the rainbow, I'm gonna start off with yellow. I decided some ramen noodles would be good. We're gonna be blending the chips or the colors in a food processor to finally grind them. So for yellow, I have Shin Ramen. For the flavor, I'm gonna be adding some of the soup packet in here so that it just has a little bit more taste. For orange, some Cheeto puffs. I did not know that chips are so expensive these days. We're getting puffs because we felt like it would stick better than hard chips like tortilla chips or anything like that. We have for red, Flamin' Hot Cheeto Puffs. I mean, this is gonna be so good. I can't wait for this one. In green, we have guacamole chips. So these are called Guacachups. This, along with the purple color, which is like a sweet potato chip, we got these two from World Market. And then for blue Takis. So we do have a food processor because I felt like it would really break down the particles well. But if you guys don't have this, and this is like a lot to clean too, you could just put it in a Ziploc bag, just break it apart with your hands or using some other tools. We have ramen. I have some paper plates just so that it's easier to clean up. Okay, I don't want to add too much. Are you scared? Are you scared, Ella? You guys already know Grace's love for fried chicken. It's like one of her favorites. So I know she's really excited about this. I'm actually kind of scared for the results, but I'm hoping that it turns out the way that I envisioned it to turn out in my head. I don't know my colors of the rainbow, so I think it's yellow, orange, red. What? Yellow, orange, red. Yellow, orange, red. Isn't that? Hold on, let me guess, okay? And then it's green, blue, purple. Is that the color?
No, it's red, orange, yellow. Green, blue, purple.
Okay, whatever, I failed. So we're gonna split all the toppings into 2 plates because one will be the first batch where the raw chicken and egg will touch it, and the second one's gonna be already cooked chicken. So we wanna separate everything. So let's season the chicken with some salt because we don't want the chicken to be bland. Now we're gonna beat 2 eggs and prepare 1 cup of flour. We'll coat it with the flour first and then the egg wash so it's wet, and then we'll coat it with each of the colors so that it sticks well. So summer's coming up and kids will be on summer break, so I thought this was a really cool idea to have a fun afternoon activity with your kids. But I don't know how parents feel about feeding kids junk food like Cheetos or Cheeto Puffs, but I just thought it'd be something fun. Oh, you know what else would be a good one? You know the veggie straws? You can like separate the colors and then do like a green from there, or like they have like a yellow. You can do that. It's like slightly healthier. I feel like parents could do that. I'm trying to think of like alternatives, but I just thought this would be a really fun activity. Do you guys know what it's time for?
Please remain seated.
Today's word of the day is 무지개, which means rainbow. And I specifically remember learning this word because before Grace and I went to Korean school, we learned Korean from my aunt at home. I don't know why I remember this word, but I just do. Right now it is the season of rainbows because it is spring and it's just always raining. And I really hope it passes because every morning I am just taking so many types of medications for my allergies, like for my eyes, for my nose. There's so many different types of medications. I just want the season to pass. But summer is also my least favorite season. So I don't know if it's any good for it to pass because I just don't want summer to come. I have really low heat tolerance and I also don't sweat, if you guys didn't know that. So I just overheat and become a tomato and then I just get really bad migraines from it. It's just bad. So I just want the next 2 seasons to pass so that we can get into my favorite, which is fall. And fall is a season that Ella was born. So yeah, today's word of the day is 무지개, which means rainbow. We're gonna fry it in the oil of your choice. I'm just gonna use vegetable oil today, but just make sure it's something with a high smoking point. We will cook this until it is golden brown. No. I think with this one, the pieces are a little too big, so it's not gonna stick. So ramen, we'll just leave off to the side for now. You guys, this one looks so legit. Wow. You really have to pack this in so that the color sticks. I like this green color. Okay, we are gonna eat. The refrigerator's so loud right now. Okay, have some Coke first. Ella. Ella, are you okay? Ah. Try the Takis.
It tastes like I'm eating chicken tenders with Takis on the
With
side.
chips. The texture is cool.
So good.
That's so good.
I like the flavor of the ramen with the soup. Or the soup packing.
Wait, that's so good. I'm so excited. It's good. So, I hope you guys tried this out because this was not only fun, but it looks so cool. And I feel like kids will love it. If you guys are having a party with friends, something really cool to bring. But hope you guys enjoyed this, tried this out, and we'll see you guys on our next video.